So now these are the alphabets. The alphabets. We have the names and sounds of the alphabets. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the names of the alphabets. I've just mentioned the names of the alphabets. Now, we are going to mention the sounds of the alphabets, the sounds of each letter. You understand? So let's go. This is A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, K, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Are you seeing it? These are their sounds, how they sound in words. Are you seeing it? So the first one was their names, A, B, C, D. That's their names. And their sounds are what I've just mentioned. You understand? So now let's combine the names and their sounds together. Let's mention their names and their sounds. This is A. The name is A. The sound is A. This is B. The name is B, but the sound is B. This is C. The sound is K. K. This is D. The name is D. The sound is D. This is E. The name is E, but the sound is E. This is F. The name is F, but the sound is F. This is J. The name is J, but the sound is G. G. This is H. The name is H, but the sound is H. H. That's how it sounds. This is I. The name is I, but the sound is A. A. Here the name is J, but the sound is J. This is K. The sound is K. K. You see, the name is K, but the sound is K. That is how it sounds in words. You see, this is L. The name is L, but the sound is L. L. You see, this is M. The sound is M. This is N. The name is N, but the sound is N. This is O. The sound is O. The sound is O. This is P. P. The name is P, but the sound is P. That is how it sounds in words. That's how the P sounds in words. P. This is Q. The name is Q, The name of the letter is Q, but how does it sound? The sound is K. Have you seen it? That's how it sounds in words. This is R. The name is R, but the sound is R, R, R. That's how it sounds in words. This is S. The name is S, but the sound is S, S, S. That is how it sounds. The name is S, but how does it sound in words? S. That's how it sounds in words. So the sound is S. This is T. The name is T, but the sound is T, T. This is U. Then the name is U, but the sound is U, U. This is V. The name is V, but the sound is V, V, V. The name of this letter is W, but the sound is W, W. That is how it sounds in words. You see, this is X. The name of this letter is X, but it sounds X, X. That is it sounds. That's how it sounds in words. X. Okay. This is Y. The letter Y. The name is Y. The name is Y, but the sound is Y, Y. That is how it sounds in words. Example, yam. Yes. You see? Y-E-S. Yes. That's how the Y sounds. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is Z. The name is Z, but how does it sound in words? The sound is Z, 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 Z. You see? That's how it sounds in words. The name is Z, but the sound is Z, 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 Z. Example, zebra, zebra, zip, zip. Have you seen it? That's it. So now let's mention the names together with their sounds. Let's mention the names of the alphabets together with their sounds. A, A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, A, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, K, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, 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 Z. Have you seen it?